Hey guys, I'm back with another 90s loot capsule unboxing video. This time I have my lovely assistant Araya here to help me with everything.
Yes, hi, hello.
We're right in the wrong decade. Alright, so this time we'll see what we got.
Here we go.
Alright, cool. You can open that one, I'll open this one.
It is, I don't know what this is.
You don't. It's the Never-Ending Story 1 and 2. I love these movies, and if you don't know what's up with the Treyu and everything that's in this movie, you don't belong in this group. She's never seen it, but which is exactly why I bought it. It's not on any streaming services that I know of. So.
And video something.
And this one, Radio Flyer. Also another
know.
90s gem that's not on any streaming services. And if I'm going to buy it on Amazon Prime, I'd rather actually own it and buy it for like the same price
Oh, it
on
does say
eBay.
radio?
Radio Flyer. This movie's really good with Elijah Wood. And then what I got out of this, which is perfect because this is related to the Never-Ending Story, one that was given to Atreyu. This is sick. This has a really good weight to it. That's so dope.
I got this other one.
I'm really excited to show her those movies and her sister.
Ooh, okay, oh, it's
Oh,
inside.
it's in there, yeah.
Oh, wait, is this a game? Here. Oh, it's a secret. Mario Party.
Oh, it's Mario Party 3DS. So you can play with multiple people, and we all have 3DSs, so we can get down on that. That's the mystery. Pogs. So I had all my Pogs lost, and I had such a great collection.
Wait,
and I found some, yes.
There's like a Pog one in Simpsons.
They had a Pog episodes in Simpsons.
Yeah, Milhouse traded Bart's soul for some Pogs.
I remember that episode. So we got some Pogs. I'll actually open them, because why not? I'm not going to keep them in the box. I don't know why Pogs are the only thing from the 90s that haven't made a comeback. It makes no sense whatsoever. They were great. I mean, if Pokemon cards had way more of like a gambling aspect than these, and kids would get their Pokemon cards stolen and everything, it was crazy. Yet Pogs were the bad guys. So it comes with a Slammer and Pogs.
I got another one, but it says do not bend.
Yeah, so don't bend it.
Bend.
So, have a nice day, TNT Slammer. They're all holographic looking on the back. Random designs. Surprised there's not like an 8-baller.
I want to bend it.
Comics. So I gave my friend, I left a box of all my comics at a friend's house. Long story. I don't have those anymore. But there were a few that I really wanted to get back to. And one of those was the Fatal Attractions series. Look at it.
Wolverine.
Careful. It's Wolverine.
Wolverine right here.
Yeah.
I like this part.
And then Codename Wolverine Top Secret. I used to love comics, and I know comics aren't exactly 90s, but for me, like the 90s X-Men are what made me get into comics. The first one I ever got was a 90s #1 X-Men comic. Changed my life forever. Jimmy Neutron and Squidward. I have no idea what this is. Oh!
What?
Yes, I do know what this is.
Oh wait, this is
Yes!
Wait, where did I put them?
It's a light up Argo Crag. From Guts.
Can I open this one? Can I?
Yeah, I'm assuming they're comics. I'm not 100% certain. I know I ordered a few different comics.
Can I open these Pogs?
Yes, you may.
Oh, okay, I got it open.
So I got a free X-Files comic for the order that I got. I never watched X-Files. It wasn't a show I ever got into. And I like spooky, creepy, like especially alien stuff. And I never got into X-Files. I feel like it's too dated now for me to actually like get into and enjoy. I like old stuff.
So we got this GPA thing.
Global Pog Association.
There's like, oh, this one.
Alien.
Yeah, there's like, okay, yeah, there are like lots of random ones. But
and the #1 X-Men comic of when they decided to redo like their origins.
We got more pogs. And more pogs. And 2 more pogs. We got like.
I'm gonna teach my kids how to play pogs.
Like.
Why not?
How do I open this? Okay. Can I open this?
Yeah, go ahead. Be careful.
Okay, I'm trying.
I'm not liking these slammers.
Can I see?
I want at least one 8-ball or skull. Pog 12. Kit Kat.
Lots of. Okay.
Oh, here's the skull.
Oh.
If you know me, you know I love Star Wars and especially The Mandalorian. Thick pin. It's gonna go up there. Oh, X-Force #4. I love Cable, so certain issues bring back certain memories, and I really wanted to get those.
Can you got these ones? So we got these socks.
I love socks.
Tiny ones.
So I got Chucky
And this one.
and then Ren and Stimpy.
Wait, I actually got this one. And it says Caps. I don't know what it is.
So I got a Pog tube.
Well,
Even though most Bud tubes nowadays like are straight up Pog tubes that have been retrofitted.
there's one more. There's like 3 more. Oh, those are lots of hogs.
Yeah, it came with a lot. Right off the bat, skulls. That's what I'm talking about. I don't even like skulls, but I'm talking Pogs. 8-ball.
There's all these. You could get all of these.
We got a cool metal slammer.
And then we're going to open the last one, and which is the biggest one, okay? Is that fine?
Yeah. A Tide Pod. That's crazy.
So this one's right here, so I'll put it on.
All these slammers are metal too. 8-ball slammer.
Right. Ooh. Oh, wait. So we got, these are the ones you could get, and these are the ones we got. What do you want to
I don't care about Rocky Raccoon, but I care about Mega Man. And this helps
the last
complete
and
the
biggest,
collection.
I can't pick this up.
Still not done.
Ow.
Oh wait, hold on. And then this one, I got a Toon Squad jersey, Taz.
That's hard to
I've been
carry.
wanting one of these for a long time, and this thing's stitched. It's nice.
Why don't you put it on? Oh, what's gonna fall? It's gonna fall. Okay, I'm gonna open it. There's some more boxes inside.
Another Taz Toon Squad jersey, because I kind of wanted to get both. Even though this isn't the one they wore on screen, it was 6. I wanted to get it.
Can you open this? I hate tape. Please open
I
it.
sure can.
Wait, there's nothing right here. Oh, there's less stuff. What does that kind of look like?
Oh, it's my sword rack. I got a new sword rack because I kind of have a lot of them now. Mar got me a few for Father's Day. Alright, so this one is a glasses case. Because I have a lot of glasses. And I have them on a tray, just laid out, and they kind of don't look good. So I wanted something to actually like make my adulting room
Make it look pop.
Yeah, make it pop. That's right.
Oh, I can't.
So I got a nice case with a drawer for more.
And now you're like, what glasses do I want? Then just open the door.
Yeah, exactly.
I can't do it. I got this. I got them.
Okay.
I told you.
Indeed you did.
How do I?
So this is a watch case. Because I also have a lot of watches. I didn't know I need those. That's what you put the watches around.
This or this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'll put it. Alright, so this is the last thing we got.
Oh. Whoa.
So they're coasters that look like, they're wooden coasters that look like Nintendo cartridges. This one is The Adventure of Drunk Hunt
Junkie.
at Drunky Kong
I don't know.
and Wino Fantasy.
Thank you for. Okay, that's everything, guys. Thank you for coming on this